I swear that the evidence which I shall give in this case shall be true, that I will conceal nothing, and that no part of my evidence shall be false. So help me God. Please stand.
Not this, but document. So that's not me. Standard course, they know
Yes. Okay.
आठ तारीख क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन टिके बाहर करो पैराग्राफ 83
Yes.
ସେଇଠି ରହିଥିଲା ଯେ according to me neither in the name of respondent nor in the name of his wife Firdausia Banu there is any ROI in respect of the land shown under heading non-agriculture land in column 7BII in Mauda Patpur in the district of Kotak.
Okay.
ସେଇଠୁ
No,
ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ସେଇଟା
no. कौन नेबे कहल ओ येटा
ସେଇ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫଟା ଦେଖି
नहीं मैप टा देखियो
ନାଇଁ ଆगे ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫଟା ଦେଖି ତାଙ୍କୁ
Oh, अच्छा. Okay. All right. Then you give me a copy.
ଦେବାଶିଷ ବାବୁ
Sir.
ଆଜି 10 ତାରିଖ 8 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ କ୍ରସ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମିନେସନ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ 83 କି ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
8 तारीख डेट पड़िछि पैराग्राफ 83
according to me
30 पेज रा फर्स्ट सब पैराग्राफ को देखि एक अकॉर्डिंग टू ए टू
ସେଇଠୁ ପଢୁ
जो ये तो दियो जो नॉमिनेशन एग्जिबिट E1 की 2 जाल ठीक है सर
ସେଦିନ ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଜାଣିବା ଅନୁସାରେ ପାଟପୁର ମୌଜାରେ ରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ବା ତାଙ୍କ ୱାଇଫ ଫିର୍ଦୌସିଆ ବାନୁଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ କୌଣସି ନନ୍ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ରେକର୍ଡରେ ନାହିଁ ତାରି ଉପରେ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
Yeah.
এটা ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ downloaded copy of record of right in Mauda Patpur district Kotak खाता नंबर 16-D1 प्लॉट नंबर 111/1048 किसम बासगृह होमस्टेड एरिया 730 डिसमिल recorded in the name of Firdausia Banu wife of Mohammad Mokim कास्ट मुसलमान कि फिरदौसिया बानु होचंती रेस्पोंडेंट को वाइफ
से जो इलेक्शन पिटिशन टा देबे This is a downloaded copy, sir, from certified a document that they will just it was just produced now, few minutes back. देखो तांकर कहीं जो दउछले मत देखियो भाई
এটা দিয়ে এটা নিয়ে which is that averment made in the election petition relating to which you are putting questions?
Paragraph 7.
7F.
7E.
7E at page 14.
Okay. He says, one says that there is no moja known as patpur. You have put already questions on that.
Okay.
Then he says, submit our present there is no moja patpur, so and so. Further declare.
Cross examination
So also the khata number, plot number, description, that are all false and declaration. Okay. That means what he has declared in that he has mentioned that some of the lands are recorded in the name of his wife.
wife and in his name.
In his name, of course. So he made a statement while giving evidence that neither in the name of respondent nor in the name of so and so there is any ROR. Okay.
Say contestant.
The particular ROR, sir. Right. So Seta mention that is non-agricultural land heading re page 15 of that exhibit 1 to
4 and 32.
right. ସେଥିରେ ଦିଟା କଲମ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରଥମ ଦିଟା କଲମରେ ରହୁଛି, ଗୋଟେ କଲମ ହଉଛି ପିଟିସନର ନିଜର ରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡାଣ୍ଟ ନିଜଙ୍କର, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି ତାଙ୍କ ୱାଇଫ।
ମୁଁ ଆଗେ ଫିରଦୋସିଆବାନ।
ରାଇଟ ହଁ ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ।
ଏଇଟା ଫିରଦୋସିଆବାନ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ କଟକ ମୌଜା ପାଟପୁର ଖାତା ନମ୍ବର 16-B1 ପ୍ଲଟ ନମ୍ବର 111/1048। ଏଇ ଯୋଉ 1 ନମ୍ବର ଆଇଟମଟି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ତାରି ପଟାଟି
ଜାଗା କେତେ?
ଜାଗାଟି ତଳେ 730 ଡିସିମିଲ୍, 1/0 730 31,769 ସ୍କୋୟାର ଫୁଟ।
ରାଇଟ
ବ୍ରାକେଟ ରହିଲା 1/0 ତାରି ପଟା ଆଜି ହଜୁରଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଦାଖଲ କରାଯାଇଛି। ଏଇଟା ମୌଜା ରହିଲା ପାଟପୁର, ଜିଲ୍ଲା କଟକ, ଖାତା ନମ୍ବର 16-B1, ପଛପଟେ ଅଛି ପ୍ଲଟ ନମ୍ବର ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ 111/1048, କିସମ ହଉଛି ବାସଗୃହ, ଏରିଆ ହଉଛି 1/0 ଡିସିମିଲ୍ and
730 ଡିସିମିଲ୍ ନା? ଏଇଟା କେତେ ଅଛି?
730 1/0
7,000।
ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଶୂନ ରହୁଛି ଅଧିକା ସବୁବେଳେ ଡାଉନଲୋଡ ରେଟରେ, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡାଉନଲୋଡ ରେଟ ବି ସେୟା ରହୁଛି
7,000 ମାନେ this is confusing sir।
1/0 ଡିସିମିଲ୍ 1/0
7,300
ଦେଖିନେବେ। ନାଁ ଅଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଫିରଦୋସିଆବାନୁ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ମହମ୍ମଦ।
This area has to be clarified. No, there it is. Milord, they are showing only 0.73. No, what Mr. Samantray, what you have mentioned in that particular, अपन से 7E टा टिके देखिए ना ताऊ।
7E
हाँ, ती affidavit
देखिए मिलाड 7E टा अपना घर में लेते हैं कि
आगे 7E रो देखंतु आपण लिखिचंती that the respondent has declared about the non-agricultural land in district Cuttack, Mauza, Patpur, खाता number so and so, plot number so and so. It is submitted. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି, it is submitted that at present there is no Mauza known as Patpur in district Cuttack. या पर question पचरा ହେଇଯାଇଛି। So खाता number, plot number described therein are all false declaration। ଆପଣ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଏରିଆ କଥା କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି, खाता नंबर और प्लॉट नंबर जो मेंशन करिसेंती तांकर ए जो नॉन एग्रीकल्चरल हेडिंग रे सेम सेटाकू मिछ कहउचंती एवं सेटाकू आपण कहिले जे फिरदोसिया बानु का ये ना रे कोनोसी सेमती नॉन एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड नाही
पट्टा नहीं
हाँ ताकू सी देखिबा को चाहउचंती दीज आर दी खतियान्स बा record of right which indicates that this particular land in that particular moja stands recorded in the name of the wife of the respondent.
Milord.
Okay. The
But Milord, the size of the plot which they have indicated here.
I'll write it. I'll write it. Look on. The record of right which is shown to me today in court relates to Dist Katak, Mauza Pattapur, Khata number 16D1.
Milord, this also has been just downloaded.
Plot number
16D1.
It's not a certified copy also, Milord.
Plot number.
Let's say one.
Plot number is 111/1048.
Kisam Vasa Group.
No, that you have Kisam Gurika dekhi na thi apno se jo adhire. But and finds place in the column number 7. It is a number column re dekhi jandi tar affidavit re, that is
Column number 7 B triple I.
7 bracket re lekhantu B tapare Roman 3.
Roman 2 my lord.
It Roman 2 यहाँ Roman 2 under the heading of non-agricultural land stands recorded. अच्छा it ऊपर टा लिखो the record of right which is shown to me today in court relates to so and so plot number recorded in the seat लिखो recorded in the name of फिरदौसिया बानो spelling टा ठीक कौन हाँ ठीक है आशीरण फिरदौसिया बानो wife of the respondent and it finds place in the column number 200 in the affidavit filed by the respondent in form 26.
They said
under exhibit 1 to 4
under exhibits कर दियो तो 1 TO24 and exhibits 32 TO2 35. Stop.
downloaded copy of the said RR be marked as exhibit N.
Your lordships have mentioned the record of rights. It's a downloaded copy.
अच्छा अच्छा देखो the download अच्छा ठीक है the downloaded copy लगी हुई ठीक copy of हाँ ठीक of record of rights one the downloaded copy of ROR of Khata number 16-D1 is marked as exhibit कितने
M KL
M कर दें M yes अपन कौन कहूतिले मिस्टर सामंतराय कौन कहूतिले प्रोजेक्ट एरिया उटे कौन
Area is 7,300 and this is shown as 0.7
730.
730 এটা হচ্ছে 7300
7,300.
Sir, how got a khali? marked as exhibit 10 with objection.
Acha, with objection for them.
Aye.
See, you are to file that, apply for the certified copy and get filed so that will be obviously. So the area and the total area code. The total area of the said land, though mentioned in Exhibit M as acre soon 7300 decimal, but the respondent has shown in his affidavit, से जो affidavit से जो column टाके तो ऊपर लिखा है लापड़ा लिखा ही नहीं, अरे column ना वहाँ पर लिखा ही 7B2 हाँ से उठा ये तो आज एक और सुन 730 decimal है ना, okay, yes, अब ठीक है ऊपर को ठेले तो file वाला yeah,
downloaded.
stop the अच्छा
See downloaded copy of ROR of Mauja Patpur, District Kotak, Khata number.
My lord, this has to be mentioned, no? What is shown in this.
mention kale that last
ओके मिलॉर्ड आपण लेखिले कजिया कहले लेखिले परा आपनर ये होची जे टोटल एरिया टा जोटा मेंशन से करिसंती जे 730 किंतु आरओआर रे देखा होची सेटा होची 7300 डेसिमल
My lord,
एटा तो लिखा ना
extremely sorry, my lord.
ओके ओके
खाता नंबर 15-D1 देखान
आगे से जो एफिडेविट टा देखंता जो इलेक्शन जो नॉमिनेशन पेपर जो एफिडेविट टा अछि दैट इज देखो
एटी डिस्ट्रिक्ट कटक मौजा पाटपुर खाता नंबर 15-D1 प्लॉट नंबर 114 116 112 113 एटी देखंतु इसे आरो अछि
Area के तलसे
एरिया टी देखंतु एकरे 2 एकर 180 डिसिमिल 94,961 स्क्वायर फुट एक नंबर आइटम एकरे 2 एकर 180 डिसिमिल एटी देखंतु मौजा पाटपुर जिला कटक खाता नंबर 15-D1 सूची ता पछपटे अछि देखंतु प्लॉट नंबर्स एठी लिखा है 114 116 112 113 114 116 112 113 टोटल 4 प्लॉट्स टोटल एरिया 2 एकर 180 डिसिमिल
दैट वुड बी हिज ऑब्जेक्शन दैट ओके सो मिस्टर सामंतराय एटा होची आपनकर ऑब्जेक्शन होबो बाकी सब तो ठीक अछि ए जो से देखि जंती 180 एटी इन फैक्ट अछि 1800
is yeah, my lord, wrong in
ओके लेखन से टाइप रो लिखि दंतु सेटा कॉपी करी ये कर देन मु ताकू करेक्शन कर दोछि हां बड़े सपारा कर देन हां सपारा कर किछ Asun. The downloaded copy of record of right which is shown to me today, it relates to district Cuttack, Mauja Patapur, eta Patapur to? हाँ, ठीक है जी. खाता number है 15D1, right? Plot numbers कर दियंतु. Plot numbers कर दियंतु. 114. कौन टा कॉपी करिए? हाँ, plots number 100 situated. हाँ, recorded in the name of respondent कर दें फिर दूसरा मानो हाँ से पर्यंत काटी दूँ recorded in the name of the respondent ठीक है जी and it finds place in column number 7 under the heading of non-cultural stands in accordance okay ठीक है जी exhibit so the downloaded copy of so and so इटा वो कितने आपन करो इटा अच्छा इटा 15 करो 15D1 that would be N.
Exhibit N.
Okay. This 8 lekon. The total area of the said land, though mentioned in Exhibit M, sorry, N, as acre to dot 180 decimal. है ना?
Acre soon one, 2 acre.
नहीं 2 एकड़ 1.800 decimal. ठीक है जी. But the respondent has shown in his affidavit in column number 1 as एकड़ 2 लेखन सेटा को आउ 1.800 ହେଲା बाकी ओटा काट दियौ. ठीक. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
सेटा मार्क ला
এটা তো মার্ক করি. এটা খালি ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ଖାଲି ପେନସିଲ ରେ ରେଫରେନ୍ସ ପାଇଁ ମାଗି ଦଉଛି. ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେତେ? ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଲା ଏଲ ନା?
M and N. First ହେଲା M.
Okay, M and S.
Milord, this Google map.
Yes.
Question ଆସିଲେ ଯାହା କହିବା କଥା କହିବେ.
Sorry, Milord.
Rating mark. Yes.
And data with objection.
এটা with objection লেখা ହେଲା নি? সেটা দেখো with objection. লেখা ହେଇଛି ତ ମିଷ୍ଟର?
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ latest Google map ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ downloaded on 9/2.
ଦେଖ 2/9/23 ଆଗ ମାସ ଅଛି ତାପରେ ତାରିଖ ଅଛି ତାପରେ ବର୍ଷ ଅଛି. 8:32 PM ରେ ଡାଉନଲୋଡ ହେଇଛି. କାଲି ଏଇଟା ମୋ ଜନରେବୁଲ କୋର୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖେଇଥିଲି ଡେସ୍କଟପ୍ ରେ. ସେଇ ଜୁଡିସିଆଲ ଏକାଡେମୀ ରୁ ଆପଣ ନେତାଜୀ ସୁଭାଷ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ବୋଷ ସେତୁ ଗଲେ ତ୍ରିଶୁଳିଆ ସ୍କୋୟାର ପହଞ୍ଚୁଛନ୍ତି. ପାଟପୁର ମୌଜା ଦେଇକି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏଠି 2ଟା ଗାଁ ରହୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନିର୍ବାଚନ ମଣ୍ଡଳୀରେ.
He has already answered, I think. That I am not aware whether there is any.
ସେଟା କହିଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ଆଜି ଆମେ ଦେଖେଇବାର ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟ ହଉଛି. ସେଇଟା ଆପଣ ଡେସ୍କଟପ୍ ରୁ ଦେଖେଇକି ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିଲେ. But there is no material on record for higher forum. ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଏଇଟାକୁ ରେକର୍ଡ କରୁ.
Milord, how can a Google map be authentic? You have to give me settlement records of rights where cluster of villages under Mauja Patpur is shown.
नहीं जहाँ कहीं भी अपन लिखा ही जो था.
Milord.
Question टाके सुनी नहीं होता. Question टाके सुनी होता. Whatever answer you will give, I will write down. Yes. Watch answer question.
This Google map shows existence of Mauja Patpur between Tulasipur in Baki Road between Tulasipur Trisulia Square between Trisulia Square and village Sandhapur and Vidyadhar.
Sandhapur is also under 90.
Trisulia Square ଆଉ जो Sandhapur ଆଉ Vidyadharpur
आरी मझिया मझी पाटपुर टा पड़ुची बाकी रास्ता. ମୁଁ ଏଇ ଏକ୍ଜିଷ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖଉଛି ଗୁଗଲ ମ୍ୟାପ. କାଲି ଯୋଉଟା ସାର୍ ଦେଖେଇଥିଲେ ସେଇଗୁଟାକୁ ଆମେ ରେକର୍ଡ କୁ ଆଣୁଛୁ.
Milord, Google Maps can change. You can change also the addresses in Google Map. Milord, Milord, Google Map is never. We can give a settlement of right wherever the map.
All right, I'm writing down your answer. Question lekhantu.
Milord,
Q lekhantu. See this Google map. Which indicates that Mauja Patapur falls in between Trisulia Square and village Sandhapur and Vidyadharpur. Question mark on. Why not stop? What do you say?
Milord?
नहीं stop. Answer. कौन जहाँ कभी लिखती?
Milord, there is no authenticity about a Google map.
There is no authenticity.
It can change from time to time.
Just about the Google map, which is shown to me, and it can be concocted.
Milord,
stop.
Question Google Maps downloaded on 9/2/2000.
See this Google Map downloaded. downloaded
on
on
9/2/2023.
9/2/2023. All right. Yes.
This may be marked as exhibit.
No, he's declining. He's cannot be. He's not. He's not accepting that. Once he accepts, that can be marked. Otherwise, you can prove it through your own witness. All right. Yes.
ଏଇଟା ୱିଥ୍ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ ଯାଉ ତାଙ୍କର ବି ସେମିତି ମାର୍କ ହେଇଛି ତେଣୁ ଆମର ସେମିତି ୱିଥ୍ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ ଯାଉ
ତାଙ୍କର କରିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆମର ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଗୁଡା ହେଇଛି because all of them had been
No, those are the certified copy of the.
No.
downloaded copies. You never said that they are not existing.
ସବୁଟା ଡାଉନଲୋଡେଡ୍ ମାର୍କ ହେଇଛି ୱିଥ୍ ଆମେ ବି ୱିଥ୍
Objection कर दियो. See this go down. अच्छा तापर लग दो ये सब पारा कर दियो. The downloaded copy of Google Map is marked as exhibit केते कौन O bracket लग EO हवनी बोले E हव bracket लिख दो with objection. So जो ऊपर security का see the Google Map downloaded on so and so which indicates Moja part 4. Okay. Falls in between Trisulia square and so and so. What do you say? There is no authenticity about the Google Map which is shown from you and it can be concocted. ठीक है. Yes. So next question.
evidence on affidavit টা দেখুন internal page 18 paragraph 24
Internal page 18. Yes.
paragraph 24
Paragraph 24 last line ଟା ଖାଲି ପକାନ୍ତୁ. The respondent
ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଆମେ କୌଣସି ରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ କୌଣସି
the respondent has not
ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ଟୁ ଶୋ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପାଟପୁରରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଜମି ଅଛି ବୋଲି ତାଙ୍କର ବା ତାଙ୍କ ଆମେ କହିବୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସଜେସନ ଦବୁ ଯେ ଏମ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏନ୍ ଆର୍ ଦି ଟୁ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟସ ଟୁ ଶୋ.
All right. Mr. Samantray ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଲାଇନ ଟା ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି in view of exhibit
M
and N, it shows that in fact the respondent and his wife has some lands in this Mauza Patpur. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇ ଯୋଉ averment ଟା ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ଠିକ ନୁହେଁ ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି.
Milord, even the today the downloaded version shown to me is under objection that we have.
That is objection. ନାଇଁ
So
ଆପଣ
then-
ଏଇ particular question ର କଣ answer?
And the Patpur that Milord he is showing is spelled differently than this part.
No, ସେଗୁଡା ସବୁ ଲେଖା ହେଇ ସାରିଲାଣି.
Spelled.
ସେଗୁଡା ସବୁ ଗଲାଣି. ଏଇ ୟାର ଆନ୍ସର କଣ କହୁ ସିଏ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସିଏ ଯୋଉ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖଉଛନ୍ତି ତା ଦ୍ଵାରା ପ୍ରମାଣିତ ହଉଛି ଯେ ରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କର ସ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କର ଜମି ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ଅଛି ମାନେ ପାଟପୁର ଗାଁରେ. ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି କୌଣସି ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ that is not correct. ସେଇଆ.
In connection with my petition, I don't think this is right.
All right. It is not a fact that exhibit कौन से जो दीटा M and exhibit N reveals that that the respondent and his spouse have lands in Mauza Patpur of Cuttack district under Khata number 15D1 and 16D1 16D1.
exhibit मारला बड़े आगोटा 16D1 है।
अच्छा 16D1 and 15D1 अच्छा आगे 16D1 कर दें तब and that the averments taken in my affidavit
election
in the affidavit and also in the election petition madhya lekhichandi
7E.
and also in the election petition in para 7E that there has been false declaration by the respondent in that respect is not correct.
Affidavit para 18 add कर दले specify.
कोटा कहले
In my affidavit at para 18.
In my evidence on affidavit.
हाँ evidence on
Evidence
affidavit वाला
affidavit
अच्छा
para 18.
evidence on affidavit in
36 bracket कर देना para 24
हाँ bucket
Sorry,
para 24 and also in the election petition in para 7E तो रहिला हो कौन
para 24
कोटा इटा para 24
exhibit माने evidence on affidavit रा para
exhibit 36 para 24 है clear है क्या evidence on affidavit तो bracket माइनर आरंभ करले सेटी exhibit 36 तापर para 24
तो एटा अच्छा अच्छा ओ एविडेंस ऑन एफिडेविट को आपण कोजन मार्क करियो ऑलराइट एग्जिबिट 36 हां कॉमा पारा 24 ऑलराइट
16D1 and 15D1 पर
respectively ऑलराइट यस
देवाशिष साहू
सर
paragraph 7E रे आपण जो अभियोग आनिचंती बा एविडेंस ऑन एफिडेविट exhibit 36 रो paragraph 24 रे आपण जो अभियोग आनिचंती सेटा प्रमाण करबा दायित्व आपण करतो
मु तो पेटिशन रे सर आई हैव गिवन
नहीं नहीं पिटिशन रे उल्लेख करचंती एविडेंस ऑन एफिडेविट रे भी उल्लेख करचंती बोली मु कहि
सर
सेटा प्रमाण करबा दायित्व आपण करतो
डॉक्यूमेंट दाखल करिबा एवं
प्रमाण करबा दायित्व
प्रमाण तो
प्रमाण करबा दायित्व
प्रमाण करिया दायित्व मोर आई थिंक दिस इज ऑनरेबल कोर्ट्स
नो 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 सी
मैं probably phrase the question
मिस्टर सामंत रे आउथरे बुझियंतु सी कहउछन आपण जो लेखिले ना सी
मिलॉर्ड
जेटा को फॉल्स डिक्लेरेशन बेली सी जोटा देइचंती तांकर ए एफिडेविट रे जो जमी विषय रे पाटपुर जमी रे एडा सब फॉल्स डिक्लेरेशन ए यार प्रमाण करेबा दायित्व आपण जेहेतु लेखिले एटा फॉल्स डिक्लेरेशन सार कहउछंती ए प्रमाण करेबा दायित्वटा होची आपणकर हो ना नाही
मिलॉर्ड आई अंडरस्टूड यस मिलॉर्ड
ऑलराइट इट इज देखो it is sapara it's my duty to prove that the averments made in the election petition paragraph under paragraph 7E and
under paragraph
24 of the evidence affidavit
of my
evidence affidavit bracket लिख दिला हो exhibit 36 हो exhibit 36 it is my duty to prove that the averments made in so and so that the respondent has made false declarations in his affidavit
in form 26
in form 26 in that respect it is my duty to prove that the averments made in the election petition under paragraph 7E and paragraph 24 of the evidence affidavit 36 that the respondent has made false declaration in his affidavit in form in that respect stood yes sir
एवं से संपर्कर ପ୍ରମାଣ ଆପଣ ଅଲରେଡି କୋର୍ଟରେ ଦାଖଲ କରିସାରିଲେ
Sir,
କରିସାରିଛନ୍ତି
I have already submitted documents before the Honorable Court in that respect.
ଖାଲି ଟିକେ ସ୍ପେସିଫାଏ କରିପାରିବେ କି କୋଉ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡା ଆପଣ ଦାଖଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଏ ବାବଦରେ
My lord, there are many documents.
Stop.
ସ୍ପେସିଫାଏ କରିବାକୁ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି
କୋଉ
କରିପାରିବେ ନା କରିପାରିବେ
କୋଉ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ରୁ ମିଷ୍ଟର ସାମନ୍ତରାୟ ପ୍ଲିଜ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଯେ କୋଉ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ଦାଖଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ତରଫରୁ ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ ମାର୍କ ହେଇଛି ଯୋଉଥିରୁ ଜଣା ପଡିବ ଯେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଦିଟା ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପିଟିସନ ର ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ 7E ହଉ বা ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ର ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ 24 ରେ ଯୋଉ ଆଭରମେଣ୍ଟସ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସିଏ ଫଲ୍ସ ଡିକ୍ଲାରେସନ କରିଛି ଏଇଟା ପ୍ରମାଣ ହବ ଏଇ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ବଳରେ ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ତରଫରୁ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି ଏବଂ ଯୋଉଟା କି ମାର୍କ ହେଇଛି ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ କୋଉ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ରୁ ପ୍ରମାଣ ହବ ଜଣା ପଡିବ ଯେ
ଅଲରେଡି ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ ମାର୍କ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ସେଇଥିରୁ କହିଦେଲେ
7E ଯୋଉ paragraph 24 my lord.
no କୋଉ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଟୁ ସବଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସିଏଟ that he has
In the petition, my lord.
Petition ରେ ଆପଣ
Documents is the download from Bhulek regarding these properties which I have raised objection, my lord, as not being properly disclosed.
ଆପଣ ସେ ଲାଇନ ଟା ଅଲରେଡି ଗଲାଣି ଭାରି ଯେ I have already submitted the documents in that respect. Next question ହଉଛି ସାରଙ୍କର ଯେ କୋଉ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସେଗୁଡାକ ଯୋଉଥିରୁ ଆପଣ ସ୍ପେସିଫାଏ
ଆମକୁ ସାରଙ୍କୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ସୁବିଧା
ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସବୁ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଯେତିକ ମାର୍କ ହେଇଛି ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖି ପାରନ୍ତି କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ
My lord, it's as yet don't understand if already I have marked them as exhibits in 7E and my objections to the disclosure, my lord. So I don't know what further senior.
It is not a fact. It is not a fact that from the documents filed by me and exhibited, there is nothing to show that the averments taken by me in the election petition in paragraph 7E and in the evidence on affidavit in para 24 it is not a fact that from the documents there is nothing to show that the averments are correct are correct
ସ୍ପେସିଫାଇ କରିବାକୁ ଯୋଉ କହିଥିଲେ ସେଇଟା ଆସିଲାଣି ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ କହିଲି ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ତ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଇଏ ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ ମାର୍କ କରିଛନ୍ତି କୋଉ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖିଲେ ଆପଣ ସ୍ପେସିଫାଇ କରିପାରିବେ କି କୋଉ ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ ଟା ଦେଖିଲେ ଏଇଟା ଜଣା ପଡିବ
अच्छा question लिख दें can you specify the documents exhibited on your behalf to substantiate the averments taken in the election petition in paragraph in the election petition say to up to paragraph now question mark Mr. Samantra, please read this question and answer jaha kahibe mu likh debi
This I can see, my lord. I will, my lord, show from the exhibits I have given or
exhibits
I don't remember the exact exhibit number.
नहीं आप सार आपन कहउछन जे वर्तमान आपन देखिकिनी कहि परिबे कि जेतिक एग्जिबिट आपन को डॉक्यूमेंट आपन फाइल करछंती सार कहउछंती आपन को डॉक्यूमेंट वर्तमान आपन को सामना रे थुआ हबो एवं आपन को पचरा जीवो जे को डॉक्यूमेंट आपनकर जो थ्रू जाना पड़िबो जे रेस्पोंडेंट एमती गोटे फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट देइचंती तांकर affidavit re relating to this landed properties.
My lord, with all apologies, is this necessary now to go through all the exhibits to find out? With apologies, my lord.
The question is put to you whether it is necessary or not. That is the court to decide. Whether you
Right.
can specify yes or no. Tell me.
No,
I cannot specify
right now.
right now. Specify right now the documents exhibited. Stop. To substantiate the averments. Yes, next.
ସେତିକି ଯୋଉ ଆମେ ଛାଡିଥିଲେ ଆମର ସରି
ତାପରେ ଆସିବା next paragraph. We have gone up to 7E complete ହେଲା ତ sir?
7E complete.
Okay, now we'll come to 7F. So the ଯାଇଥିଲା ସେ 7EF ଉପରେ କୌଣସି question ହେଇ ନଥିଲା ତ?
ନାଇଁ
Okay. Now we can, yes.
ଦେବାଶିଷ ବାବୁ
Sir,
7F ଟାକେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ।
ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନିର୍ବାଚନ ମକଦ୍ଦମାରେ ଯୋଉ 7EF ଆଲିଗେସନ
Election petition ଟା ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ 7F.
7F ଟା ପଢିଥିଲେ ଆମେ ଏଇ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ତାର କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଟା ସେଇଠୁ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ
ଆଉ ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି 7B4 ସେଇଟାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ affidavit ର
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କାରଣ ଏଇଟା relates to that.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
7B Roman 4 ଏଇଟା ମତେ ବି ବାହାର କରିକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା କୋଉଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି କମର୍ସିଆଲ 7B4 ଟା ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ସେ ଗୋଟେ ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ତା ନାଁ ହଉଛି ସିଟି ସେଲ୍ଟର ସେଇଟା କୋଉଠି ଆସୁଛି ୟାର ସିଟି ସେଲ୍ଟର କଥା କୋଉ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
7F ରେ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ
ନାଇଁ ପେଜ କେତେ ନମ୍ବର କୁହନ୍ତୁ
13 of the election
ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ପଢି ପାଇଥିଲି ମୁଁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ affidavit ର ସେଇଟା
ଆମ ଫର୍ମ 26
ହଁ ଫର୍ମ 26
କଲମ 7IV ରେ ଥିବ
अच्छा हाँ पाइली that is page number 17 okay
place number 17
it's all right
এই application টা ଆପଣ ପଢିଲେ
पढ़ली the averment is that if it is correctly understood that he has not mentioned the khata number
ନାଇଁ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଫିରଦୋସିଆ ବାନୁଙ୍କ ଡେସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ କଲା ବେଳେ ଖାତା ନମ୍ବର ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇନା
ହଁ ମୁଁ ସେଇଆ କହୁଛି ହଁ ସେଇ ରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଦେଖେଇଛନ୍ତି ସିଟି ସେଲ୍ଟର ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ମୌଜା ସୋଆନସୋ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ପ୍ଲଟ ନମ୍ବର ଏୟା ଏଥିରେ ଆଦେର ଖାତା ନମ୍ବର ରିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ଟ କରିନା
ଖାତା ନମ୍ବର ଅଫ ଦି aforesaid plot number
whereas
in the declaration made with respect to his spouse he has
right
declared
same
plot
now you put the question
ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ exhibit 1 to 4 and exhibit 32 to 35
ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଚଳିବ। ହଁ ସେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ତ। ହଁ
ହେଲା।
1 to
The respondent in his affidavit in form 26 at its internal page 17 and 18 under column 7 capital B IV under heading residential building including apartment, locations, survey numbers has mentioned at serial number 1 city shelter district Kotak, Mauza Kotak town, unit number 15, plot number 1882 by 3019 1743 2743 1882 by 3020 ground floor flat number 1 by A 2 by B F by 5 first floor flat number 2 by B 1 by A 5 by E 6 by F second floor flat number 5 by E 2 by B third floor flat number 2 by B 5 by E 1 by A half share bracket ରେ ଅଛି half share in all the above properties
ପାଇଲେ
sir.
ହେଲା।
ଆପଣ ଆଭର ବାଇଟା
Hmm.
ଏଇଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲା।
ପଢିଛି କୋଉଟା କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଏଥିରେ
ହଁ ପଚାରିଲି।
ଆପଣ କେବଳ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଫ୍ଲୋର କଥାଟା ମେନସନ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଫ୍ଲୋର ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଫ୍ଲୋର ଥାର୍ଡ ଫ୍ଲୋର ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ବିଷୟରେ ମେନସନ କରିବା। ପଢନ୍ତୁ that in para 7 BIV the respondents declared about the residential building known as city center in the district Kotak, Muja Kotak town, unit number 15, plot number 1882 by 3019 2743 1882 by 3020 ground floor flat numbers 1 by A 2 by B F by 5 ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ affidavit ରେ ଅଛି ଦେଖିଲେ ଏବେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଫ୍ଲୋର ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଫ୍ଲୋର ଥାର୍ଡ ଫ୍ଲୋର ସେ ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି। ହଁ ଇନଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି। ହଁ ସେଠୁ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଇଜ ଦ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ସାର୍? ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଦେବି ସାର୍। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍।
ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ କଥା ହଉଛି ଖାତା ନମ୍ବର ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିବାକୁ କୋଉଠି ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଅଛି?
ଏ ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ର ଖାତା ନମ୍ବର ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିବା
ପାଇଁ ସିଏ ଫିରଦୋସିଆ ମାନଙ୍କର ଖାତା ନମ୍ବର ଲେଖିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଇଟ୍ସ ଅଲ୍ ରାଇଟ୍। ଗୋଟା କଣ ଅଧିକା ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ଅଲଗା କଥା, କିନ୍ତୁ କୋଉଠି ରିକ୍ୱାରମେଣ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ।
ବାଇ ଦ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ କମିଶନ
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆଇଭି ର ହେଡିଂ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡିଂ ଆପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟସ ଲୋକେସନ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସର୍ଭେ ନମ୍ବର ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କଥା ହେଇଛି। ଏବଂ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ ପ୍ଲିଜ ଟର୍ନ ଟୁ ପେଜ 13 where instruction of election commission of India is available under note 1 to note 3 7B ର details of immovable assets ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲା।
କୋଉଠି
page 13 ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ
13 of
evident
details of immovable assets।
note 1 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ properties in joint ownership indicating the extent of joint ownership will also have to be indicated। Note 2 each land or building or apartment should be mentioned separately in this format। Then next page my lord note 3 details should indicate the interest in or ownership of offshore assets। এই ଯୋଉ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ରେ ଖାତା ନମ୍ବର ଲେଖିବା ପାଇଁ
ଓକେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ୟୋର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍। ଆଚ୍ଛା ଖାତା ନମ୍ବର ମିଷ୍ଟର ସାମନ୍ତରାୟ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଖାତା ନମ୍ବର ମେନସନ କରିବାକୁ ସେମିତି କିଛି ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଏଇ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ରେ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ହେଡିଂ ରେ। ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆନ୍ସର ଟା କଣ ହବ?
Any
ସିଏ ବି ଦେଇନା ତାଙ୍କୁ ବି ମୁଁ ପଚାରି
ନାଇଁ sir, let him first answer, let him answer।
sir ଟିକେ different କଥା।
No, it's all right, you answer him।
ମୁଁ କହିଲି ମାନେ my lord, I think when you ask for a detail of a property,
okay,
khata number is equally important to indicate the information।
Okay, that is your answer। All right, I am writing down। Lekhon, it is a fact that in paragraph number 7F of my election petition I have not mentioned about the declaration made by the respondent relating to the first floor,
The flats.
relating to the first floor, second floor, and third floor of city shelter,
CITY.
CITY, shelter, under the heading of residential building, bracket re, including apartment, bracket ends, तापर location, bracket re a small s, survey numbers, bracket re s, नहीं survey number पूरा लिखो, NUMBER s,
Relating to the flats.
relating लिखा था पूरा,
खाली
relating to the flats, relating to the flats
owned by the respondent.
Owned by the respondent in first floor, second floor, and third floor of city's funds. Hala, stop लिखो. The respondent has not declared the khata number of plot numbers 1882 oblique 3019, 2743. No, this 18823019, 2743, 1882 oblique 3020 in the ground floor, flat numbers 1 by A, 2 by B, F by 5, the respondent has not declared the khata number of the plot number so and so in the ground floor of. Stop. According to me, mentioning of khata number of the above plot numbers are equally important in the prescribed column of the affidavit under 7 under 7 Roman B 7 seta kitne number capital B na Roman IV
Under
column acha on column ठीक yes कौन हला
In affidavit form 26.
affidavit affidavit in column of the affidavit in form 26 लिख लो होगा prescribed for column
Yeah,
of
affidavit affidavit in form 26 under
affidavit in form 26 का setting नहीं जाएगा okay in under okay stop the other. So according to me, mentioning of khata number of the above plot numbers are equally important.
instruction तीनटा देखले note 1 note 3
ସେଥିରେ ନାହିଁ
ସେଥିରେ instruction ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ
अच्छा आपण कौन कहउछन्ती instruction ने सेमती सार कहउछन्ती
Milord, khata number could be a reference in Odisha. In Tamil Nadu, it's a different thing as for their registration of in the Tahsil office. So, in comes to Odisha, khata number is important.
नहीं सेटा लिखा ही गलानी आपण जहा कहले according to me mentioning of खाता number
Whole India, but
of the above plot.
particularly whole India, there is nothing as khata number in South. But there is something else which pertains to the details
अच्छा,
of the
लेकिन
property.
it is not a fact that in view of 3 of column number 7B, comma, there is no such requirement to mention the khata numbers in respect of residential building. Stop. Yes.
mention पहले आज instructed कर दे बेटा
अच्छा
आज instructed by ऊपर
आप टिक के ऊपर कर लो आज
mentioned by the election
आज instructed
by the election
हाँ required to be given
as per
as हाँ is it instructed
as instructed by Election Commission of India.
ठीक. Yes. Next question.
जी तीर्थ ନାଇଁ ସବୁ କାମ ସରିଲା ବେଳକୁ 1.5 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଲାଗିଯାଉଛି ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ୍ ପୁଣି ମାର୍କ ହବ
अच्छा टिके बैक कर देला टिके बैक कर is not a fact that in view of so नहीं सर एटा टिके जोटा एट दिस दीज आर टू आपण जो कहलेनी जे तांको वाइफ खाता नंबर मेंशन करिसेंती सेटा दैट इज ए डिफरेंट टोटल दैट इज मेट्रो रिवर व्यू एटा आउ
मेट्रो नंबर 1 आइटम नंबर 2 आइटम मैं लड़ रखू
सिटी सेंटर अच्छा अच्छा तळे अछि जोटा
नंबर 2 एंड नंबर 3 रे तार सेंटर
अच्छा नो नाही ता वाइफ करो जोटा अछि
नंबर 2 आइटम
ତାଙ୍କର ଅଭିଯୋଗ ବି ସେଇଆ
नंबर 3 आइटम
ଯେତେବେଳେ ତୁମେ ୱାଇଫଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ଦଉଛ ସେତେବେଳେ ଖାତା ନମ୍ବର ଦେଇଛ ନିଜ ବେଳକୁ ଖାତା ନମ୍ବର କାହିଁ ଦେଇନା
पैराग्राफ 7 एबरे होयराज कति करथुछि
ସେଇ ଗୋଟା ତାଙ୍କ ଅଭିଯୋଗଟା ଆପଣ ପଢିଦେଲେ
in the respondents wants a plot number in the declaration of respondents was in so okay serial he has mentioned
होयराज serial number 2
हां हां तो ये छाड़ दी जाइछन्ती माने आंकर निज पई छाड़ दी जंती वाइफ को पई मेंशन ऑलराइट
आ गुटे मैं नोट पढ़िला जे जो मेंशन करनांती फर्स्ट फ्लोर सेकंड फ्लोर थर्ड फ्लोर रे
लगला पर
आज जो लिखा लिखितंती half of the share of all the above property सेटा भी मेंशन है इन इलेक्शन पिटिशन
कोटा कहलो no you have not put any question जो अच्छा अच्छा कोटा तल कोटा उम्मीद
विदिन ब्रैकेट रे हाफ शेयर इन द
टी बैक कर दिया देखि दियो पुट ले हाँ एटा तो अच्छा it is a fact that in paragraph number so and so of my election I have not mentioned about the declaration made by the respondent relating to the flats owned by the respondent in first floor, second floor and third floor of city building. 8 लिख दो सी
आ गोटे सेंटेंस में नोट कर दो काना से जा ग्राउंड फ्लोर की मीन करूची चारटा को ग्राउंड फ्लोर फर्स्ट फ्लोर सेकंड फ्लोर थर्ड फ्लोर रे से हजबैंड वाइफ को नार अछि हाफ हाफ शेयर सेटा उभय मेंशन करछि
अच्छा आ सीट would say तारो हां it is a fact that I have not mentioned in the election petition in paragraph 7F that the respondent has indicated
that he is the owner of half
that he is the owner of half share in respect of the properties in respect of the property city shelter in respect of the property city shelter inverted comma bhitar null rakhi city shelter ta bi inverted comma bhitar hala
ଏଇଟା ଚାଲିଲେ ଆଉ ଘଣ୍ଟାଏ ଦେଢ ଘଣ୍ଟା ନେଇଯିବ ତେଣୁ ଆର ସିଟିଂ ରେ ସରିଯିବ।
okay so eta tapare lekhi diyantu you to be continued kar diyantu so now sir देखिए आप एटा order sheet टा दियंतु एगुड़ाक लास्ट order sheet दियंतु जो पिटिशन फाइल कले आगे तांकु दियंतु एक गोटे पिटिशन फाइल करछन अच्छा ठीक अछि additional list of documents আছে order sheet টা দিয়ंतु this should be order number 91 हाँ लिखी दो ना किसी असुविधा नहीं हाँ सेटा रहिबो Swanshu Devassis Samantra is present in court today. Is cross-examination resumed. Mr. Vidyanathan Land Counsel examined cross-examined. Acha. During such cross-examination, कौन हिला the downloaded copy सेटा टिके बाहर को देन जोटा कौन हिला ना तीनटा डॉक्यूमेंट मार्क कलाम मार्क कर the downloaded copy of ROR सेटा नहीं है जोटा relating to so and so नहीं हाँ सेट during course of such cross-examination, the downloaded copy of record of right relating to Dist Katak, Moja, Patapur, Khata number 16D1, plot number so 11/1 so recorded in the name of wife of the respondent is was marked is marked as bracket with objection and तापर से आरटा आनंद सेम जो डाउनलोडेड कॉपी ऑफ सेटा जो आरटा record of right काटी दियंत कटक डिस्ट्रिक्ट सोनसो मौजा पाटपुर खाता नंबर सला 15D1 ठीक अछि प्लॉट नंबर 114 116 112 113 सेटा काटी दियंत recorded in the name of recorded in the name of marked is marked as exhibit eta ketela n stop and with objection करंतु ऊपर रहला पूरा देखिलो पाटपुर मोजाटा रहला था हाँ रहला तापर आ गोटे मार्क हला जो येटा गूगल मैप सेटा नै आसुन कॉपी करिन सेटा With objection. Hello. Stop कर दियो. सब कारा करूँ तो. The Learning Council for the respondent filed an additional list of documents with the the downloaded copies of ROR in respect of khata number 16D1,
खाली खाता नंबर दीटा लगी
16D1 and 15D1 and Google Map of Moja Patapur and Google Map serving copy on the Learning Council for the election petitioner, which is marked as which is taken on record. So that is over. Then now, if we see the order sheet, the documents which are kept with the documents which were the documents which are kept in a sealed cover are opened in court today. The same be kept. Okay, again, further cross-examination is deferred to sir. To date, Mr. Kanungo.
ମୁଁ ଟିକେ सोमवार मंगलवार नाही
हाँ सेटा आपण कहउथिले सो मिस्टर सामंतराय सारंकर डिफिकल्टी रहउची 15 तारिख रे आपनकर किछि असुविधा अछि कि 15 तारिख होची बुधवार
Okay, Milord, I'll cancel my. I was going to Delhi, so I will be here in the court.
No, सेमति किछि नै आपण जदि
कंफर्टेबल डू इट
आपण किछि जदि सेति पय कहउछन्ती आपण
Milord, let this.
हाँ नहीं के 13 14 आपण छाड़ी दियंतु तापर आपण को दिन अवेलेबल हेबे कोन सेहि दिन ही डेट रखिया
किछि दिल्ली रु फेरिबे कहले से
15 I will be available, then I'll go late in the evening to Delhi.
Then it will be इतो सरी जाउची मैक्सिमम 4:30 भीतर सरी जाउ
Milord.
सो लेखन on 15
टिके माने एटा जेराटा आउट टिके बेसी टाइम हला इट बी
15 हां 15 to 20 एई दिन पूरा
नंबर होची
सेही पैराग्राफ ता सार देबे सार कहउचंती से
हां सर तापर आ किछि नाही एक्चुअली
so 15 through and the matter will be taken off so and so at 2 p.m. okay
आपण 15 रे जिबे कि दिल्ली फेरिबे केबे
ना 15 रे आउट अछि
ସେଦିନ କହିବେ
नहीं जदी आपण को इनकन्वीनियंस हबो आपनकर फ्लाइट थिबो ना
नाले 8टा बेले
लेट नहीं ताल ठीक
राती 10टा बेले भी फ्लाइट अछि
so अच्छा एक टिके एटा मार्क भी कर दियो से
मोटा
कोटा एन कोटा आपण टिके पळे आसो देखो नाली पेन ता दियंतु मिस्टर ओवरऑल टिके वेरीफाई कर देबे
Yes.
Mr. Samantha, you please wait, just verify कला परे signature कर देगिन जीवे भाई
कैन आई बेग लीव
हाँ सर अपन ही बस समझाएंगे